managing your fears as an alternative to abuse and addiction. Everybody deals with stress and anxiety. However, some people sometimes take it out on others through abuse or take their fears out on themselves through addiction. Both of these alternatives are wrong. There is a better way to deal with your stress and anxieties. Here is a list of techniques that a person can use to help manage their stress, anxieties, and fears. First and foremost, seek help and treatment from a professional. Getting help from a counselor or other professional is very important and can provide you much help and insights in dealing with your current problem. Getting help from a professional should be the first thing you do in getting better. Remember to follow through on the suggestions that these counselors offer to you and be patient with the process of getting better. Try to learn what is the real source of your fears and anxieties. Knowing what the source of your problem is can go a long way in finding the solution. Think about it and try to figure out what is the source of your fears and stress. If you do not know, then ask a professional or a counselor. As a layman, I learned that finding the source of your fears will put you that much closer in getting better. Sometimes, we get stressed when everything happens all at once. Instead of taking it out on someone else, a person should take a deep breath and try to find something to do for a few minutes to get your mind off of the problem. A person could take a walk, listen to some music, read the newspaper, or do an activity that will give them a fresh perspective on things. This mental timeout can help you refocus on your current situation. A good way to manage your worry is to challenge your negative thinking with positive statements and realistic thinking. When encountering thoughts that make you fearful or anxious, challenge those thoughts by asking yourself questions that will maintain objectivity and common sense. When facing a current or upcoming task that overwhelms you with a lot of anxiety, the first thing you can do is to break the task into a series of smaller steps. Completing these smaller tasks one at a time will make the stress more manageable and increases your chances of success. As a layman and not as a professional, I realize it is not easy to deal with all of our fears and other problems. However, there are all kinds of help available. Remember to take advantage of the help that is around you. The key is to be patient and not to give up. In time, you will be able to find those resources that will help you with your problems.
For more content like this, please visit learnforfree.biz.
Content produced and distributed by AllSuperInfo. All rights reserved.
Discover the proven formula for automated sales and success that you can apply to your business in under 30 minutes.
Reserve your seat at allsuper.info/webinar.